Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P2127, P2122, and P0220 accelerator pedal position sensor trouble code. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys the symptoms when you're getting P2127. I'm going to tell you guys what causes P2127, and I'm going to tell you guys how to fix that code. So the accelerator pedal position sensor is located directly on the gas pedal or accelerator, and it's going to be this part right here. So the accelerator pedal position sensor is part of the electronic throttle control system, and it works together with the throttle body and the engine control module. The reason why you're getting this code is because somewhere along the way when the signal is being sent, it got disrupted, and this is why you're getting that code. This is how the electronic throttle control system works. When you step on the gas pedal or accelerator, it is going to send a signal to the computer, and the computer is going to tell the throttle body valve to open up. So again, when you step on a gas pedal, signal is sent to the computer, and the computer is going to send signal to the throttle body, and it's going to tell the valve to open up. What I have here is the gas pedal or accelerator, and the accelerator pedal position sensor is located right there directly on the gas pedal. And when this part fell, you're going to get a lot of symptoms. The first symptom is you're going to get code for P2127 and other related bad accelerator pedal position sensor code. The next symptom is your vehicle is going to get stuck in limp mode. Limp mode is basically a safety feature that prevents your vehicle going faster than 35 miles per hour or second gear. The next symptom is if the accelerator pedal position sensor fell, you might notice that when you step on the gas pedal, your vehicle becomes unresponsive. For example, when you step on the gas pedal, your vehicle is not going to go forward, and the RPM is not going to climb or jump. And the next symptom is that if the accelerator pedal position sensor did not fail all the way, then it can send erratic signal. So when you step on a gas pedal, you might notice that your vehicle might start to jerk, and it might accelerate kind of funny. And the next symptom is that when you step on a gas pedal, you might notice your vehicle might stall. What causes the accelerator pedal position sensor to fail? And the number one cause is going to be faulty parts. Over time, this part can start to fail, and it can trigger that code. The next reason why you're getting that code is because something went wrong with the wire or connection. Look at the accelerator pedal position sensor location and look at its connector and wire. It is sticking out of the carpet. So imagine that it is raining hard that day and it's somewhat flooding on the street, and you jump inside your vehicle with your wet shoe or boot, and you got this part extremely wet. So imagine all the water is getting onto the connection and wire. So over time, it can cause the connection and wire pin to start to corrode, and this can cause poor or erratic signal. So the next reason why you're getting that code is that you're going to have a throttle body issue, or you're going to have a wire issue. So if signal cannot make it to the throttle body, let's just say there's a wire issue, or there's an open in the wire, or you have a short, it is going to trigger that code. If you still can't figure out what the problem is, make sure you check for a blown ECM fuse or PCM fuse, or the ECM or PCM, also known as the computer, might be bad. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.